the rims will get sprayed. But it came out pretty decent, man. Came out pretty decent.
Major pressure.
Whoop gang, what's good? It's your boy B Ferris with another video. Hey, I'm back, baby. I am back. B Ferris, man. We here at Prince_Whoops870. Look, I took a little time off. It's been a while. But look, I've been in daddy mode. My baby girl is 5 months old now. So hey, I've been on the grind for her. You know, being around my baby, playing with my baby, everything like that. So took a small break from YouTube, man, you know, to be in daddy mode. But hey, I'm back, man. She's getting big, growing like she should, man. Everything is great. Being a father is great. So that's where I've been at. But hey, we're gonna pick it up like we haven't even left, man. Look, Dodge Ram, the CA Vet, the Lexus, the Challenger, the Jeep is at work with my fiance. Hey, we're here, baby. Let's get it. The video today, we finally got some 28-inch rims for the Dodge Ram, baby. Finally got some 28s for the Dodge Ram, man. It was hard to find some 5-lug 28s, but we found them. I cashed out on them. Shoulda did the delivery video and all that, but you know, like I said, been on the grind with other things right now. But we got the rims right here, man. When I say these things are big, golly. And I do like the big tires. I wanted big tires for the Ram. So the rims are the same size as the Challenger, you know. So the rims are 28s. Just like the Challenger. Let's walk to the Challenger, show y'all these 28s, you know. But the thing is, I wanted thicker tires. Let me see where we at. Yeah, these gonna get resprayed, man. The paint chipping on them. Here we go. So these are 28s too, but the tires are 275s. So we got 275s on the Challenger. 28s. These big things here are 325s on 28. So like I said, way much more tire. Look, thing is to my hip. 28s on the CA Vet. See how much we have to cut on this vet if we put them on here. Let me see. Yeah, we had to cut a little bit. Yeah, we had to cut the whole back off, you know. But the front and most of the front gonna get cut off. 28s on the CA Vet, baby. Yeah. But anyway, today we're gonna be test fitting these on the Ram. I got a feeling I'm gonna have to cut the front just a little bit. Cut the plastic out the fender. So if I had to do that, we'll be doing that today. The rims will not be staying chrome. So y'all should already know that. No chrome on the truck, so rims gonna get painted too. That might be the next video. But today we're gonna get them test fitted. We're gonna see what we gotta cut it. If so, we're gonna knock it out, baby. Let's get it. Tell you one thing, it's hot. So yeah, that's another thing. We finally got some good weather, man. It's warming up. It's been snowing, raining, cold. You know, I ain't trying to get out in that weather. I don't like doing stuff in that weather anyway it goes, but we just got the rim put on the back of the Ram. So like I figured I won't have to do anything to the back. It actually looks pretty good, man. That chrome looks pretty good. It's not washed up, of course. Rims are still dusty. You know, I will be putting my logo right there, just like I got on the Challenger. Yeah, Prince West, baby. Yeah, so with this, like I said, good clearance on the back. Got clearance on the front. I still might go ahead and trim this to be on the safe side. And that plastic, I'm gonna go ahead and trim this part of it out. So both sides will probably be the same. I mean, I'm putting the rim on, so I didn't record their process, you know. With the front, you know, the front tire turns, of course. I know that front is gonna rub here. It's gonna rub on the back. So that gotta get cut out. But when I take this tire off, I'm gonna cut it then, so I won't have to, you know, be dealing with it back and forth. With this might be an issue also. So we'll see when we put the tire on, but man, that's a big difference. And then when I spray those rims, oh my God. And then it's just enough tire. So we compare it. Try to see how thick that tire is compared to my ones on the Challenger. Same size rims, but way more thread, way more size on that tire. So we're gonna get these other ones did, but like I said, the back should be good. I'm still doing a little trimming on it. The front is gonna be my main issue, so we're gonna have to work on that. I'll let y'all see me put the front rim on, you know, to see what kind of space I got when we got the cut to it. So let's get it. I just changed my blade on my grinder cutter. Just broke these loose for to get the truck lifted. I'm gonna take this off and show y'all what I'm actually about to cut real quick. All right, truck is lifted. About to get these taken off. I'm also watching that game, man.
Gotta get it in. I do not have a number 4 on the roster here.
This is my hometown, Mariana. Y'all watching this video? Keep up all the good work with that basketball, man. Hopefully y'all win this game right here, man. Let's bring it home, baby. All right, got that first wheel off. So like I said, man, I'm gonna check what's behind this to make sure I'm cutting it like this wire right here. See how far it is behind it. It's only plastic. Same thing on this side. So if we get this plugged up, get that cut off. Get my safety glasses and gloves, cause this stuff be popping everywhere. Just got this cut. That should give me enough room. See, I ain't gonna cut the whole thing. I'm just do the, you know, right where the tire gonna touch pretty much on both sides. Trim that a little bit, and it's gonna come right off. So on this side, there is a wire behind it, so I'm making sure I cut it real light, and I'm looking between it to make sure I'm not hitting that wire once I'm doing it.
You can see it, the first 2 or 3 threes that Connor attempted, they were rushed. These last 2 or 3 have been pretty good looks. They're just not falling. If they start to fall, we got a ball game.
We're getting knocked out. Trim this, brought that down. So I'm just cut over here on this side now. I'm gonna go ahead and get this piece too, because I don't want it just hanging. See that? I don't like how that looks, so I'm gonna just cut that across too. We getting somewhere. Alright, front's cut, the back is cut. This that wire I was talking about that was behind it, but I was way up here, so I was in good shape. So we're gonna put this rim on and see if we actually gotta do any trimming to this or not. We might have to. Go grab one of these bad boys and sliders under there that we won't figure it out. I need y'all to know how big this rim is towards me. Yes. Let's slide about this Challenger tire so I can show y'all what I was talking about. Remember, the same size rim. We just got way bigger tires. Cause I mean, it's a pickup truck, man. Why not? Same rim. Man, look at that. That's crazy. Bro, that's crazy. Golly. That's crazy. Boys looking good right now. Turn it down for a second, but yeah. We got this big old junk on here, man. These some big rim tires, man. But I already got a fit on them. I'm gonna have to trim the bumper. I'm about to trim this. So I'm about to drop it now and turn the truck on, and then, you know, try to turn the wheel and see what's going on with it. So let's get it dropped real quick. Slow and easy. Alright, jack is completely gone from under it now. The front is poking out a little bit more than the back, it seems like. So I'm gonna make sure I got everything tight on here. But let's give it a couple turns real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that. I can see that already. The front might clear, but let's see. Yep, so I'm gonna just have to cut this little bit of piece right here. So that's gonna be it on this side. I need to try the front right now and see what's going on with it. About to cut the front too.
3 seconds.
To let y'all see this measurement, this side sitting up way higher than this side. Hey, Lee County, Mariana, game over with. We're going to state, baby.
Away for a little bit when we come.
Game just ended.
Girls in the Riverside girls.
Like got 'em. Up through the center of that tire. Come up with about, try to say about 37 inches. 37 on this side. Do the same thing over here. But I know it's gonna level out because this side, you know, both tires on, the other side's not. So we got 37 on this side. This side we're looking at about 41. Yes, sir. So I believe, you know, if I get the tires on this side, it might be about 40 inches. You know, because it might drop the other side a little bit. So I give it about 40 inches, man. That'll be, what, I say the other one 37? That's a 3-inch lift just from putting the tires on there. Yes, sir. But I had this thing looking good, man. Wait till I spray them, though. Alright, so we on this side. I got the front jacked up. Woo. Alright, whip gang. I got a guest with me. She was fussing. She wouldn't let me get done. So meet Bailey Rose, guys. Hey, baby girl, yeah. You say hey to YouTube? Yeah, I'm 5 months, baby girl. Yeah, y'all, that's my baby girl, man. Yeah. Nothing but fun, ain't it, baby girl? Dad got 1 round left, and you better be glad that it's 70 degrees outside, so you can sit out here for a minute. That's my everything right there. Knock this last rim out so I can take baby girl in the crib, man, and I'll probably have to cut all this tomorrow. That's not good enough, so we're gonna make it work. Woo! Finally done whip game. It looks good to me. Like I said, it's gonna look even better when the rims get sprayed. But it came out pretty decent, man. Came out pretty decent. Like I said, the rims are super dirty, so you know, who knows? It might look way better when they cleaned up. Baby girl up there. Yeah, I ain't gonna drive it yet. I might just back it up some to make sure everything's good because I still got to do some cutting on it, so I'm not gonna drive it. I don't want to mess nothing up. Mess the tires up. In another video, hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hey, we about to start back getting to it, man. I'm trying to get to the point I'm start posting videos every day, but for now, at least once or twice a week. Like I said, I've been out for a while, man. Enjoying time with my baby girl, but hey, it's for to get back to business, baby. Prince_Whips 870, let's get it. Man, we finally got the truck done. I had to cut a lot of stuff. Everything thrown away now. Like that's metal. These were the biggest tires and rims. Well, there was the biggest setup that we did have. Cause these are actually bigger than the 28s on the Challenger. So these are 35. Doing the math on these tires, these would be like 37s and a half. So I finally got a big dog in the game now. Big boy Ram, we here. Yes, YouTube. Finally got it bolted up. Hey, it took a minute, man, because I wanted to make sure it wasn't gonna be rubbing, so I could do full U-turns in this truck. So I'm gonna ride it like this for maybe a week, you know, make sure everything's good and perfect. Then I'm gonna be taking the rims back off so I can spray them, so the truck can look perfect pretty much. I need to close the bed back up. But yeah, man, everything rimmed up. The vet really ain't rimmed up, but it is rimmed up. But everything rimmed up. So we gonna try to get it so we ain't gotta put rims on nothing else. She got her new braid. You better not stop. But we're gonna try to make sure, man, we get everything else that we ain't gotta put rims on. So if it's something luxury, we ain't got to worry about that. If it's something dealing with speed, we're gonna ride it how it came from the factory. You know. Get the braids out. Oh, hey, that's what we're doing, man. Stay tuned for the next video, man. Prince_Whips 870 signing out. Let's get it.